Hi everyone. So in this video, I will going to announce a thing which will be a super helpful thing for all of you. And this thing I can guarantee you will give you a long-term benefit. Long-term benefit. I will tell you about that. But first of all, in this video, we will going to talk about TCS Ninja. Okay, TCS Ninja. So many candidates are getting the interviews for TCS Ninja profile. In this video, I will be actually guiding you how can you start your preparation with TCS Ninja. You actually do not need to go much in technical details, but I will guiding you which will be the most important topics you should prepare to crack your TCS Ninja interview. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Also, now talking about the biggest announcement from our part for your preparation, for your interview preparation, I just want to tell you one thing that many people are charging 200 plus rupees only for a 30 minutes interview, only for a 30 minutes interview of mock, only for a 30 minutes mock interview preparation. Now today I am announcing the whole ebook with separate notes you will be getting only in 199 rupees price. So in this course you will be getting the notes of oops programming, STL collection framework, HR questions, DSA theories, project based questions, CS fundamentals. If you want to prepare everything in very deep manner, you can use these notes. But also today we have announced the ultimate crash interview preparation book. So this is the book written by me. You can use this book. This book only contains, if you can see here, this book only contains 90 pages, only 90 pages. In 90 pages you will be preparing for your interview, only 90 pages. If you will do only 20 pages per day, 20 pages per day, if you will do 20 pages per day, you will end this book only in 2 to 3 days. And this book will give you immense confidence to crack any interview, be it TCS, be it any other interview. Okay. So book will provide you immense confidence. Only in 3 to 4 days you can complete this book, and the price is very less. You will be getting the separate notes also. This book we have included in this section. Also, you will be getting the separate notes for each and every topic. So there is a lot of thing in this ultimate one course. Only you will be getting in 199 price. Okay. Also talking about the ebook, you will be getting everything in this ebook. You can see here the content. There are so many things written here. Basically, you can say if you want to prepare for your interview in 3 to 4 days, you only want to prepare for important questions, you can use this book. You will get this book in this section. Okay, in this section, ultimate crash interview preparation book. If you want to prepare in detail, you can use the separate notes. So there are so many separate notes which you can use for in detail preparation. The course link will be in the description, which you can use for the preparation. Okay, now we will talk about the TCS Ninja. Okay, so, covering the TCS Ninja, what will be the most important things which you need to know for TCS Ninja interview? First of all, see, this is the most risky position. Why this is the most risky position? Because ultimately there is no degradation. No degradation. Okay. What does this degradation means? So degradation means if you are suppose if you are some in digital, if you are suppose in digital, if you are getting the digital mail, they will take your interview. If they do not like your performance much, they will assign you Ninja. But if you are getting Ninja interview, they did not like your performance, they will directly reject you. They will directly reject you. This is the main problem with Ninja. So if you got TCS Ninja mail, it is very important to make, to prepare better, to prepare good, because this is a very important thing. Otherwise you will be directly getting rejected in this position. That's why I'm saying just spend some money, purchase the notes. You will get a lot of things in these notes. You will get a immense confidence to cracking the job. Also, if you do not want to purchase the notes, you can use the free preparations also. The notes will save your time. Also, the information will be limited and good. Okay. Otherwise, you can use the free resources also. Now, talking about Ninja, the most important part which you need to do is improve your communication. Improve your communication. How can you improve your communication? So, to improve your communication skills, The most important part is to improve your communication skills. The most important part is first, you will be picking 5 to 10 questions daily. You will be picking 10 questions daily. Suppose you have picked what is oops. You have picked what is what is data definition language or DDL. So you will be picking 5 to 10 questions daily. What you will be doing is you will be sitting alone and you will be speaking the answers aloud. Speaking the answers aloud. What How it will help you? So suppose if you are in the interview, if you are in the front of 2 to 3 people, sometimes our communication skills in the front of 2 to 3 people, sometimes we stuck, sometimes the word is stuck in the mouth. If you will prepare around for 5 to 10 days, you will be picking daily 5 to 10 questions. You are sitting alone in your room and you are speaking the answers aloud. It will enhance your skills. When you will be in the interview, you will be communicating smoothly the answers. If you are suppose if you are stucking in the answers, that will rectify that will rectify in your daily routine. Okay, so daily pick at least 5 to 10 questions. Practice speak aloud sitting alone in your room. Next thing what you need to do is, this is the first step. So what a student actually does, they start preparing for technical things and all. First, the most important part is to improve your communication skills. Okay, this is your step one. Daily you will be picking some questions, 5 to 10 questions. You will be speaking aloud. Second part is starting with the oops. So oops, you need to prepare the definitions plus example. Then the next part what you need to do is, you need to prepare your project. You will be learning about the tech stack which you have used, plus the cross questions around your project, plus the questions from your project. Okay, fourth thing which you will be doing here. So three things are clear: step one, step two, step three. Now the fourth thing, go through the cv go through the cv. Whatever you are finding in your cv, just take a little overview. If something is very important, go deeper in it. If you have done any kind of internship or work experience, go a little deep about it. Sixth and most important thing, making stories. Why this is very important? Just just remember 2 to 3 any motivating stories of your life. Why it is very important? Many candidates ignore this. You can build up any 2 to 3 motivating stories around your life. Why? Suppose an interviewer is asking, tell me any condition where you did this. Tell me any condition where you prove yourself. Tell me any condition which proves you are a hard worker. In these kind of things, suppose an interviewer is asking this, these kind of stories guarantees your selection. So just make 2 to 3 stories for these kind of things. Okay. Then the most important part, preparing HR plus behavior question. This will be your most important part. HR and behavior question. They may ask you many questions. It is guaranteed many questions, because there will be a panel interview. They will be asking you technical questions. Also, they will be asking you HR questions. HR questions is compulsory, almost compulsory. Make sure to prepare HR and behavior questions. Also, in our notes, we have given HR and situational questions in very detail. So you can basically enroll in this. You will be getting in detail notes for HR questions and situational based questions. Okay, so this will be your basic structure which you will be following for the preparation. After this, you can go for programming. After this, if you have prepared this much, you can go for programming plus CS fundamentals, programming and CS fundamentals. You can go there. But before going for programming and CS fundamentals, these things actually you need to prepare first. Okay, these things you should prepare. Then go to programming and CS fundamentals. I hope I had everything clear, and I hope it helps how to strategize your preparation. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.